Preheat oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Add a cup of warm butter. Add 2 cups of sugar and a drizzle of maple syrup. Beat till fluffy. Add 2 eggs, chicken. Beat violently until fluffy. Add a cup of vanilla's essence. Sift in 3 cups of flour incrementally, mix slowly after every cup added. Mix with dough paddle after second cup of flour or else destruction and carnage shall fall upon the sacred mixing device. Add and mix final cup of flour. Add a teaspoon of baking powder. Add 2 teaspoons of warm water. Add half teaspoon of the salt. Add 1½ cups of
flour.
For this it's a cup of chocolate chips and half a cup of crushed
cashews.
Then we add red. Freeze.
Bury. Forget about it for a couple months. Awaken in a cold sweat. In a room that is not yours. In a place that should not exist. In clothes that you will never own. Looking upon your creation. Twisted, broken beyond repair. Be merciful.
Cook for 15 minutes, or until golden brown. It has been done, the pack sealed. Consume. Hold back the tears.